Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here Tulika. In today's video, I'll be sharing my skincare routine with you. I'm in 30s. In this time zone, it's really important to take care of my skin very carefully. Sometimes we overdo and our skin is too delicate to take all those. We get upset because we don't get our desired result. That happened to me as well and I suffered a lot. After so many researches and experiments, I have got perfect skincare routine for me and now I'm really happy with my skin. So in this video, I'm going to show you my current skincare routine from morning to night and I'm going to show you which products I'm using nowadays. So let's get into the video. But before starting this video, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So let's start. In the morning after waking up, I don't really feel like using any cleanser on my face. I just wash my face with normal water. And I feel it's okay with my skin. After having breakfast, I wait for 1 to 2 hours and then I do some workouts. Recently, I have started a new workout routine. In this workout routine, I do dance workout in the morning and I go to gym in the evening. I love to do dance workout and I think this is the best way to do some cardio. After finishing my workout, I go to take shower and in the shower, I use a gentle cleanser. I use simple refreshing facial wash. This is 100% soap-free, kind to skin. It has no artificial perfume or color, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, no soap, no alcohol, no mineral oils. This is good for especially sensitive skin. I gently apply face wash all over my face and then wait for 30 seconds and then wash it properly with normal water. This is my current favorite face wash. This doesn't dry out my skin and doesn't irritate my skin. This cleanses all my sweats and dirts which I get during dance workout session. This is so gentle on my skin and I love this one. After taking bath, I use a toner which is completely alcohol free. At first, I use the toner. Here I have Thayer's Natural Remedies since 1847 facial toner. This is witch hazel aloe vera formula, rose petal, alcohol free. I take a cotton pad and take few drops of this toner on it. Apply all over my face with the cotton pad. This toner is to cleanse, tone, moisturize and balance the pH level of skin. And it feels so fresh after using. If you have sensitive skin or have pimple or acne problem, go for this toner. This is the best. After cleansing and toning, it's time to moisturize my skin. After using the toner, I wait for 1 to 2 minutes. I use Nivea Anti-Aging Lip Balm to moisturize my lips. I use one serum and one cream to moisturize my skin. At first, I use the serum. This is Collagen Peptide Serum. I apply few drops of this serum directly on my face and massage it evenly all over my cleansed face. After using the serum, I use one moisturizer. Here I have Olay Regenerist Peptide 24. This is Collagen Peptide Moisturizer. I take few amount of this moisturizer on my fingertips and apply all over my face. I don't forget about my neck as well. And massage this moisturizer very gently. So if you're in 30s, you can try this out. Now I do work from home maximum of days, so I don't really feel like using any sunscreen on my face. And if I have to go out, I use this sunscreen on my face over this serum and moisturizing cream. Then apply some makeup and yeah, I'm good to go. One important tips. Do not use sunscreen directly on your skin. Apply any moisturizer or serum and then apply sunscreen over it. Otherwise, it can really damage your skin. so be careful. In the evening, I do go to gym. After coming back, I do clean my face as soon as possible. I have told you before that always clean your face after finishing workout, otherwise it will lead you to skin problems, infections, acne or irritation. So always clean your face. I use Bioderma Sensibio H2O. It's a micellar water. I take few drops of Bioderma on a cotton pad and gently wipe out all of my face. This is also good for sensitive skin. This cleanses and soothes your skin. It's been 3 to 4 years now I'm using Bioderma, and no doubt I'm gonna continue with this. It removes all the sweats and dirts. After that I take shower, but I don't really use any cleanser on my face because my face is completely clean now. Bioderma doesn't dry out my skin, so I really don't feel like using any moisturizing after taking shower. After taking shower, I finish my dinner and then jump into any Netflix series, and after that coming to my nighttime skincare routine. The most important one. Simply I wash my face with a gentle cleanser and then moisturize my skin on daily basis. Whenever I wear any makeup, I use CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser to wash my face for the nighttime skincare routine. At first, I wash my face with water and then take few amount of cleanser on my palms and then rub the cleanser and apply all over my face very gently. Massage for 30 seconds and then wait for another 30 seconds. After that, wash my face with normal water. It removes makeup as well and I feel much cleaner after washing my face. And if I don't apply any makeup on my skin, I use the same simple refreshing facial wash. I use facial tissue to wipe out my face and I feel it's hygienic. At first, I use a serum, Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Serum. It's fragrance free. I apply 3 drops directly on my face and massage evenly over face. After applying the serum, I wait for 1 to 2 minutes before applying the moisturizer. Meanwhile, I apply Nivea Anti-Aging Lip Balm on my lips. Then I apply Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. Take few amounts of this moisturizer on my fingertips. Apply the moisturizer in dotted shape all over my face and neck and massage the cream evenly over face and neck. I use this moisturizer around my eye area as well. This one also completely fragrance free. I have been using these 2 products from Olay for 1 year now and I'm really happy with the result. Olay is my favorite skincare products now, and this is not a sponsored video. I really love Olay products because they are simply awesome and it's gentle on your skin, doesn't irritate your skin, and budget friendly as well. If I go out with makeup on, after coming back I do use Bioderma to wipe out all the makeups, germs, dirts, whatever. And after that I just take shower and continue with that nighttime skincare routine. Now the question is, how do I exfoliate my skin? I don't really exfoliate my skin too much. I don't use any physical exfoliator on my skin. No, never. I remember the time when I used to exfoliate my skin per day. Oh my god, I can tell you that destroyed my skin. I had pimple problem, dead skin, scars, so many scars. So I was like, let's use exfoliator to remove all this. If you have sensitive skin, if you have pimple or acne problem or any skin irritation, do not use any physical exfoliator. Never. I do use chemical exfoliator, and I think this is the best way to remove all the dead skin from my face. Once in a week I do use this chemical exfoliator to remove all my dead skins, and I think this is perfect for me. So after cleansing my face, I do use this chemical exfoliator as toner. Simply I wash my face with any of the two cleanser I have shown you before, then wipe out my face with a facial tissue. So this is my chemical exfoliator, Saturday Skin 10% glycolic acid plus pore control complex. I take a cotton pad and take few drops of this toner on it and apply the cotton pad all over my face gently. This is a pore clarifying toner, tonic clarifiant. I feel a little bit tingling on my face when I use this because it has glycolic acid in it, so it's normal. After applying it, I wait for 2 minutes. After that, I use CeraVe as moisturizer. I take few amount of this cream on my fingertip and a little bit warm it up with my palms, and then apply this all over my face like this, dab dab dab. After applying glycolic acid, I don't wanna rub my face with moisturizer, it can damage my skin. Apply this moisturizer around my eye area. Continue with the neck area as well. I have included this exfoliation process in my nighttime skincare routine for once in a week. I don't really go to any parlor or skin clinic for facial or any skin treatments. I do facial and take extra care of my face myself, and I feel comfortable in this way. If you want to know how do I take extra care of my skin, please let me know in comment below. Who doesn't want healthy glowing skin? Everyone does. But if you don't follow healthy lifestyle or if you don't consume good food, you cannot have glowing healthy skin. As I said before, healthy lifestyle and good food are the main keys. So always try to follow healthy lifestyle, do workout, try to consume good food, add protein rich food, healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and fiber like vegetables and fruits to your diet. Take good night sleep every night. That's important. Always try to make yourself happy, smile, add blush to your cheek. So yeah, that was my simple skincare routine. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family who are in their 30s. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Ta-da. Bye-bye. Smile. Be happy.